Excitement is building for the upcoming global launch of the Oneplus 12, and here's a little extra to spark your interest. The more budget-friendly Oneplus 12R is set to hit the US market after the grand unveiling event, although the details about this slightly lower-end Android powerhouse are still under wraps in China, scheduled for January 4. While we eagerly await the official introduction, Elite Spec Sheet by Max Jambor offers a tantalizing preview of the Oneplus 12R. Standout features include an impressive 5,500 mAh battery, surpassing even the 5,400 mAh capacity of the standard Oneplus 12. What's more, the 12R is expected to adopt the lightning-fast 100W SuperVoC wired charging technology from its premium counterpart, though it won't support wireless charging at any speed. To maintain a significant price difference from its higher-end sibling, the Oneplus 12R is rumored to house a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Despite this compromise, the device boasts a stunning 6.78-inch XDR display with a 120Hz refresh rate and comes with storage options of 128GB or 256GB, paired with either 8GB or 16GB of RAM. It's a strategic move by Oneplus, balancing cutting-edge features with affordability, offering a compelling alternative to the powerhouse Oneplus 12. As the release date approaches, anticipation grows for the Oneplus 12R, promising a blend of impressive specs and a more accessible price point for smartphone enthusiasts.